Samsung might have just let slip some features you can expect in the Galaxy S9. The tech giant recently published a page to its website detailing its new ISOCELL camera sensor. That page discusses a new 3-stack FRS camera that has yet to find its way to any Samsung handset but is believed to be coming to the Galaxy S9. Sam Mobile earlier discovered the page. It's unknown whether the camera sensor from Samsung's website is indeed coming to the Galaxy S9. However, Sam Mobile says that after it discovered the page and reported on it, Samsung removed it from the web. That suggests at the very least that Samsung doesn't want people knowing about the new camera sensor technology until a future announcement. According to the page, the 3-stack FRS, or 3-stack fast readout sensor, is composed of 3 layers. Those 3 layers allow it to be used as a more sophisticated camera system, with the ability to record slow-motion video at 480 frames per second in full 1080p HD. There's also a new super phase detection autofocus that will on the fly determine the distance to moving objects and adapt the picture's lighting controls to ensure improved autofocus speeds. Samsung has confirmed that it will unveil the Galaxy S9 and the larger Galaxy S9 Plus at Mobile World Congress next month. While Samsung has remained silent on its plans, rumors suggest that the handset will come with a nearly identical design to last year's model and be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 845 processor. The Galaxy S9 is expected to come with a single-lens camera, and the Galaxy S9 Plus could offer a dual-lens design like the one in the Galaxy Note 8. Aside from that, it's possible that the devices will come with more sophisticated software that uses artificial intelligence to deliver more contextual information while you're using the handsets. The supposed name is Galaxy AI UX.